Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Cara. Today I am going to be doing a fun St. Patrick's Day look for you. We are going to be using this Morphe palette and all Morphe eyeshadows for this look. But first I'm going to start off by priming my lids for eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I'm using this top middle yellow shade and just generously applying that over my lid. This is going to cover any of the darker tones that you have on your eye. That way the eyeshadows have a nice bright base. Now I'm just setting that with a little bit of my translucent powder. I use the RCMA No Color powder. Now I'm picking up this transition shade. It's like a pukey yellow, but I actually love it for a transition. Next, I'm dipping into the first green shade, which is like a pukey green shade, and it's the lightest green, and it's just going to help us build a nice transition. Next, we're going into the green shade that's slightly brighter, and I'm just going to be packing that on the outer corner of my eye. Now we're going in with a darker green, and I'm switching to use a small pencil brush. I just want to define my crease. Now I'm not going in my actual crease, I'm going slightly above my crease because we're going to do a cut crease look for this, and we want to create the illusion of bigger eyes. Now I'm going in with the final and darkest green shade, and I'm just kind of applying that along my lash line, kind of creating like a winged eyeshadow look with that. Now it's time to dip back into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I've been using this just because I feel like it's so convenient rather than like pumping a concealer or even just twisting off a lid. This, you just pop it open, dip your brush in, it's just so simple. Now I am picking up this white shadow, and I'm going to be packing that on the freshly laid concealer. This is going to make this white pop as much as possible and have a nice, precisely defined line. While I'm here, I'm also using this white shade to highlight my brow bone. For eyeliner, I'm using the NYC Liquid Liner. If you watch my videos, you know I love this. It's my favorite eyeliner, but I think the whole brand was discontinued. I still buy this product off of Amazon, usually 5 at a time. So I'm just lining my lids. I take my time with this because it is really black and really wet and you don't want to mess up. Now I am lining my lower lash line with some of that same green shadow we used on the top. And I'm going to be highlighting the inner corner of my eyes with this pretty gold shade from the Huda Beauty Highlight Kit, Glow Kit, Highlight Palette. Now I'm picking up this pair of lashes that I have worn before. I believe this is the Lily lashes in the style Luxe. Now I'm going in with my current mascara fave, which is the NYX Worth the Hype, and just generously applying that on my lower lash line. And now I'm going back in with my Anastasia Contour Kit, using that yellow shade to highlight my under eyes, taking it all the way down the sides of my nose, start my nose contour, and all the way out on my cheekbones, on my forehead, down the center of my nose, and on my chin. Now I'm taking the bronzy contour shade and just kind of laying that out where I want to bronze. And then I'm going in with one of the darker contour shades and laying that right underneath, right where the contour belongs. Also popping a little bit underneath my bottom lip to make it look a little bigger. And I'm running it down the sides of my nose to make my nose look a little smaller. And I'm going to speed this part up because I'm sure you've seen people blend it out a million times. Once it's all blended, I'm going to be setting it with this yellow shade from the Contour Kit. The yellow tint just provides a little extra coverage and cancels out the dark blue tones that you could get underneath your eyes. Now I'm contouring my face with the bronzy color from the Contour Kit. And I'm using this new Sigma blush. I'm going to be setting all of that with my Sephora setting spray. And lastly, I'm going in with this Buxom lip gloss. It's in the shade Sandy. And that completes this look for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and have a very happy and safe St. Patrick's Day.